All right, so we're here in Monthly Group Coaching Live, and our tribe member Trey just asked, what should I get started with? Do I get started with HEMA's Gann book or Gann trading patterns? What's the deal? So let me first show you guys, okay? If you come into the portal without having to scroll down, okay? I'm going to show you everything that right now is in the HEMA Ready portal. This is the whole gamut. Currently, Trifecta Trading Club is in a different portal. We will work on making a pathway. Then everything will have an entrance point from here, hemaready.com/portal. So when you come here, if you have ordered my book, there's bonuses here. The portal doesn't contain the book itself. It contains bonuses which help. The thing is, some folks are more visual reading type of learners. Some folks are more visual and auditory learners. So you really should ask yourself, which one are you more of? So let me show you what I mean, okay? A lot of the concepts that are in the book are returned to in Gann Trading Patterns, but it's not the exact same teaching, okay? So the Gann Trading Patterns course takes some of the key patterns and key elements and teaches them to you with video tutorials where I break it down. The other thing that's in the Gann Trading Patterns course that is not in the book is a downloadable calculator that lets you study price and time. This calculator doesn't exist anywhere else. I invented it. I made it. And I made it after attending a couple Gann seminars with my dad and wanting like a quicker way to do some of the calculations to understand the relationships between price and time in the chart. So when I say the relationships between price and time, okay, just bringing up the good old like SPY here, what I'm talking about is, you know, we all study the price axis of the chart, right? Every trader, whether newbie, beginner, intermediate, advanced, you're very well aware of the price on the chart and how much price has corrected down or how much price has risen. But very few study or teach how much time has been taken up by a move. So that's part of what that calculator does. And that calculator is only in the Gann Trading Patterns course, okay? So that's one thing. The book is great if you are a reader and you learn by flipping through and looking at things. I'm going to grab my book right here. All right, so my second edition book, you guys can see it. I love it. I read through it, I thumb through it, I flip through it, and it's an awesome resource. And it works great. It's like wine and cheese, okay? It pairs really well with the course. If you are wanting to have that, hey, here are the key patterns, and here's many examples of them, and here's coaching with it, that's what's in the course. If you want the calculator to download and use, and the whole teaching of how to use the calculator is in here, okay, that's in the session 1, the PTRD calculator. If you want bonus case studies that I have put in here of using it, all of that's in here. So really, it depends on two things. One, your learning style in terms of, are you more of a reader versus are you more of a watcher and listener? Obviously depends on what you are willing to invest in your trading at the moment, right? I fairly price and offer everything I have. I mean, I really feel like I could sell it for 5 or 10 times more and feel perfectly fine. Well, however, a book is a smaller investment than a course, obvious, right? But you therefore get more in a course in terms of the detail of the education and more. So that was a question asked here. Whoever asked that question, I believe it was a Trey. Can you please let me know if that was helpful? I'm happy to answer any follow-up questions. Okay, Trey says, yes, very helpful. Okay, awesome.